Hi, it's your girl Hetty. Amen. Hi, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Hetty Amens of Hetty's Beauty Parlor. So today I have this package sent to me by one company on Amazon called Beyond the Beauty Shop. So in here I have a mannequin head. I asked them to send me in the size 21. Yes, 21 is what I asked for. So in this, it comes with a lot of different gifts that you can help you to start your wig. So if you are a wig beginner, or yes, still you are already in the system, but you still need something more professional, more defining, and I guess this is heavier, not too heavy, like heavy in this good sense that it makes your work steady and it is very nice. The packaging was very perfect. It came in 2 days. I'm an Amazon Prime member, so it just came in 2 days, and their regular shipping also is just 2 days. So just don't worry. So it comes in different sizes. We have from size 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 head inches sizes. So know your size before you order. So this is the small. So if you want small wake up, 21 inches is okay. So aside the mannequin head, it comes with this packet that says everything is free. What else do you want? So in this package, you have everything you will need to start your wig making journey. If you want to start making wigs yourself, if you are a beginner, you're already in the system like myself, I've already bought some of these, but I ordered them from AliExpress, but I have known that this is the best. Ask me why. So this is cork filling. You can Google it and know the difference between the plastic filling and then the cork filling. So in the mannequin head, what was used to fill was a cork filling. Just Google it and you know what I'm talking about. And this is more professional, and trust me, this is gonna work so perfect. You can just click it to any table and then just start working, because you will come it will come with a wig net, and this will fit your head size. You can use it for your hand sewing, your gluing, or your machine. All my wigs are 100% machine sewn, so I will use it to construct a wig, and then you will see. So it comes with adjustable straps, and it is very comfortable and easy to turn around. It is very, very cool. So it comes with this weaving cap that you can put on your head before putting on your wig. And then these pins, yes. So it came with two sewing needles, the C-shaped one, and this is very good for beginners. You don't need to buy or order these things from different shops. When you buy this mannequin head, you get these things for free. You also get the thread. It comes with T-pins that will help you hold the wig cap or the head and then your net onto the mannequin head. It comes with these two plastic hair holdings. So I want to say thank you for sending me this, and I actually appreciate it. Check in my description box to find links to where you can purchase them. See you guys later. It's your girl Hetty Amens. Bye bye.